Hey y'all, it's Frank from Get the Gold 777. I'm bored. It's the holidays. So, I got some play sand. Let's see if there's any gold in it. I'm hoping there is. No gold nuggets. That's what we're looking for, the real fine concentrated stuff. If we're gonna find gold in this hardware store sand, it's gonna be in the real fine, real fine. Let's check it out. Since I don't have many materials, not much anyways, right here, I want to run with a modified blue bowl. We modified it by putting a silicone mat in it. It's important that you make sure your blue bolt is balanced. With the silicone mat, you can pretty much operate it at any speed. So let's give it a try. We have to adjust the speed shortly. You can see how the light material's floating up the side and going down the center. And hopefully, the small gold's getting stuck in these little nooks and crannies in the silicone mat. I put some surfactant in the water so the real light gold can break the surface tension of the water. Not a lot of black sand, but there's some in there. It's always a good sign.
stuff right up there. What do you think? Far corner, far left corner. A little something. Just shake it down. And we'll tap it up. That looks like gold. Let me zoom up on it for you. Right up there. It's kind of out of focus, but it's that bits up there. Real little stuff. Let me finish gently panning this out and we'll see what's what. So I put it on that one corner, right there. It's not a lot. But if you want to practice your panning skills, go out, get some hardware store play sand, and do what I just did. You know, classify it out, and pan out the really fine stuff. Great practice. Let me zoom up on this. Not bad, really. I mean, it's not that much. You can't weigh it. It's not enough to weigh. But it is gold. There is gold in hardware store sand. And there might be a lot more than this if you're in an area that is a gold bearing area where they get the sand. Like out west. You guys can clean up. Let's try it out and take a look at it under the macro lens.